Good morning, friends. This is Kiran sir from Wassalabai Banmari School of Scholars. Welcome to online classes. Today we are going to deal English grammar for fifth standard and new lesson if sentences. Everyone have the idea about if. If means conditional sentences. अगर ऐसा होगा तो इस तरह से होगा, वो आएगा तो मैं चला जाऊंगा. So regarding that we have to discuss about the if sentence. Cautiously you people understand that if means conditional sentences. So taking the example we understand that there are this is the very simple sentence. See here, if he come I will phone you. If you come, I will phone you. It's one example of if sentences. Including if we write the one sentence, if he comes, अगर वो आएगा, I will phone you. तो मैं तुम्हें phone करूँगा. So generally in a if sentences, starting with the if and having a two portion of the sentence, first portion and second portions. Generally if sentence having the present tense, simple present, okay. So this is starting if with the simple present and the other parts of the sentence is with will plus v1 first form. So already sir said in one sentence having a two types of sentence. This is the dependent sentence. If it comes, अगर वो आएगा, this sentence in an improper way, having in an improper way, not in a complete sentence. This depends sentence on the other sentence. So that's why this is called the dependent sentence. If it comes, this is the dependent sentence. I will phone you. मैं तुम्हें phone करूँगा. See here, when you discuss I will phone you, yes plus V plus O. So this is the main sentence. Okay. In a if sentence having this is the main sentence or independent sentence. Independent sentence. And if it comes, this is the dependent or subordinating sentence, we can say that. So this is the very easy portions to you. So understand the sentence. If it comes, अगर वो आएगा तो मैं उसे फोन करूंगा. अगर वो आएगा तो मैं तुम्हें फोन करूंगा. This is the conditional sentence. Now we will take the second example. If rain comes, we will postpone. If rain comes, we will postpone our trip. Guess it? What is the meaning? If rain comes, अगर बारिश आती है, we will postpone our trip. तो हम हमारी ट्रिप postpone करेंगे, आगे तक ले जाएंगे. In this sentence having also two, we can say that clauses or sentences. If rain comes, this is the simple present, and we will postpone our trip. This is the will plus v1. So this is the dependent sentence and this is the main sentence. So students, these are the two examples. Write in your notebooks, and I hope that you understand the if sentence very well, because regarding these two sentences you understand very well, because this is a very simple sentence, and in this lesson we have to discuss about the only conditional sentence. Okay. So regarding that, I will give you one example for that. If you see him, अगर आप उसको देखते हो, you will phone me, you will call me, you will call me. अगर आप उसे देखते हो तो मुझे फोन कर लेना. So in this way we discuss about the sentences, if sentences. Okay, I hope that you understand properly. So my dear students, open page number 114. We have to discuss about the exercise first. Here are some if sentences. Put the beginning and ends together. Which sentence goes which picture? The first one has been done as an example. So see there, exercise first. Beginning and ends, we have to make it match it. If you rest for a week, if it stop raining, if you eat that cake, if you drive fast, if you pull that top tails, if you don't run. And other side having the one, there are complements. If you rest for a week, you will be all right. Match there. If it stop raining, if it stop raining, अगर बारिश stop हो जाती है, we will go out. Match with that ends. If you eat that cake, अगर वो केक खाते हो, you will be ill. आप बीमार गिर सकते हो. If you drive fast, we will have an accident. अगर गाड़ी तेज चलाते हो तो एक्सीडेंट हो जाएगा. So match that. If you pull that dog's tail, it will be bite you. अगर कुत्ते की पूंछ खींचोगे तो वो तुम्हें काटेगा. If you don't run, you won't catch the bus. अगर आप तेज दौड़ोगे नहीं तो क्या बस को कैच नहीं करोगे. So beginning and ends match to each other. Now students, after matching this beginning and ends on the page number 115, there are some sentences based on this exercise first. So these are the whole sentence you have to write in a picture second. Okay, already one is done for you. If you rest for a week, you will be all right. Regarding that driving, cake, dog with the boy, it's raining, the bus. So that sentences, these sentences you have to write in this remaining parts. Okay, so this is your today's task, and I hope that you understand properly. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.